everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you're curious to see what came in the OFRA Cosmetics Black Friday mystery box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, yes, I'm a sucker for a mystery box, and I'm an extra sucker for the mystery boxes that come from OFRA. They are the best in my opinion. First off, they're only between like $28 and $35. I think I've gotten some in the past that were about $28. This one was $35. You get way over that MSRP value. I know for a fact there is a full-size highlighter in this box, which retails on its own for $35. So bam, box already paid for. Plus you're going to get at least 4 to 5 other products. So in my opinion, you cannot go wrong. I forget if this is Black Friday or Cyber Monday. To me, same difference. It's that same long weekend. Ah, yes, it's coming back to me. All right, so here is the actual mystery box. And you may be asking, why was that such a big outer box? Well, they were also having a sale. I'm a sucker for purchasing makeup. And I picked up some additional lip products. This might be a freebie that came, but I definitely picked these guys up. Each of the lippies, I want to say, were at 50% off. I think they normally retail for $15. Don't quote me. That will float on screen. And they were on sale for $7.50. So, do I already own 8,000 lip products? Yes. Will that stop me from buying more? No. Especially if they're on sale. Okay, I'm going to save the what I purchased extra to the end because some of you may be new. If so, welcome. I would love for you to subscribe while you're here. I'm going to dive into the mystery box first. That way if anyone stopped by just to see what's in the mystery box, they don't need to see what I purchased on my own. So OFRA boxes come with like a little tear tab, but they put tape over it, so it's taking me a hot minute to get into the box. OFRA, why you gotta do that? Here's the box, came fully stuffed and beautifully protected with bubble wrap. All right, first item, I'm super excited. I am a brush fiend. Do I already own 8 million brushes? Yes. Will I ever be upset if I receive another brush? No, I love getting brushes. All right, so this is soft, but a little dense and is slightly tapered and would make a beautiful blending eyeshadow brush. I love this kind of deep dark forest green, and I have never tried a brush from OFRA, so I'm super excited. Next item, what do we have here? Oh, I wasn't aware OFRA did skincare. This is a B5 serum. Ooh, OFRA coming with some skincare. Was not expecting that. It is a smaller bottle. How many mLs is this? 36 mLs. Wow, that's deceiving. I was going to guess 20, but it does come with a pump. Let's see what kind of a serum it is. If it's clear, gel, or white. Nope, it's clear and gel. Don't know if that picks up, but it's right there. All right, does it have a scent? It does have a subtle scent of, don't ask me what. Not obnoxious, I'm going with that. It's maybe just the ingredients, very subtly floral, not obnoxiously floral. All right, what else came in this box? Oh my goodness. It's not one, not two, but it's a 3-pack of lip products. It's the OFRA lip set in the shade Nudes Volume 2. Did they know I was ordering this and that I love nude lip colors? Ooh, although they are dark. I guess it's the Nudes 2. But let's see, are these lip glosses or liquid lipsticks? Liquid lipsticks, which personally are not my favorite of all lip products. I prefer bullet lipsticks and lip glosses. But let's see which one of these three may be light enough for me to use. Let's go with the middle one and do a swatch. First off, does this have a scent? Ooh, it smells sweet like vanilla cupcake. And there is the lip color. Very beautiful. Just for me personally, this is verging on the edge of being a little too dark. I know, I'm crazy. But the other two I can set aside and put in a giveaway. All right, what else came in this mystery box? Ooh, what do we have here? This is the Makeup Fixer. Ooh, is that a fancy way of saying setting spray? Let's take my little friend here and see what it says. Yeah, rain, wind, or shine, makeup stays put all the time. Let's see how good the spritzer is. My goodness, this came extremely beautifully packaged. There is plastic, like completely covering so nothing could pop open or leak. Give me a second to get that open. All right, let's see how good this mister is. Okay. It's what I would call fine but aggressive. So let's hold it back a bit. It does have a soft scent of ingredients. I don't know. It's barely there, not obnoxious. All right, and on to the last item, which is the full-size highlighter. These retail for $35, so this one product alone paid for this entire box. This here is the X's and Glows highlighter palette, and it comes with 4 different shades. Let me do some swatches. All right, here are the beautiful highlighters. Now, if you aren't aware, OFRA highlighters can be worn on the eyes, on the brow bone, as eyeshadow, as well as on the cheeks. Don't let these colors scare you. They look beautiful. In fact, I'm wearing some OFRA eyeshadow as well as some highlighter on my brow bone, inner corner, on top of my lids, and on my cheeks. I love me the glow of OFRA products. Also, the formula is meant to be used either wet or dry. So you can wet your brush and they will look just as good going as if you went in with your finger or a brush and used them dry. They are fantastic, and just, you know, if you like a good glow, OFRA's the way to go. And did I just make a cheesy rhyme? Yes, that was not intended. All right, let's recap everything that came in the $35 Cyber Monday and or Black Friday mystery box. We got a B5 face serum, a travel size makeup fixer, a trio of liquid lipsticks, an eyeshadow brush, and the X's and Glows highlighter. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, what a fantastic deal. Again, this highlighter alone retails, I'm pretty certain, for $35. And then you get not one, not two, but a set 3 liquid lipsticks, a face serum, this brush, and some setting spray. I'm going to use all of these products. Well, there are 2 liquid lipsticks, which may be a little too dark, but hey, I'm just going to toss those into a giveaway. I'm going to list the MSRP total value. I'm pretty sure the value is going to be at least double, if not more. Let me know what you think about OFRA products, and do you think this was a fantastic deal for $35? All right, if you've stuck around, thank you so much. And if you're curious to see the items I picked up on sale, I'm going to share that with you and do some swatches. All right, so the first item is a little freebie. This is also the long-lasting liquid lipstick, and oddly enough, it's in the exact same shade as the one I swatched earlier, which is called Sedona. The other 2 shades, which I didn't mention, this one is called Portland, which is the darkest, and the other medium shade is called Aspen. If you have never tried a lipstick from OFRA, they are spectacular. So I got 2 bullet lipsticks because they were 50% off or 60%. I don't know. They were on sale. And I did get a shade that I already own because I love it so much. All right, you're going to say, wow, that's really soft and light. Have we met? I love a nudie pink. And this one I love so much that I got a backup. This is in the shade Pink Lady. Here's my new one. Here's the one I already own, which I will gladly share with you and do a swatch. All right, she's right there. It's beautiful, nice, soft, nudie pink. If you know me, you know me. I just couldn't resist. And by the way, OFRA lipsticks have a magnetic closure. I then picked up the shade Frosted Pink, which, let's see, I don't know, shopping online can be hard, but let's see if it's super Barbie pink or my kind of pink. It's on the verge. I've already swatched it. Let's see what it looks like on my lips, because maybe it will look spectacular on my lips more so than on the back of my hand. Yes. Now, be warned, it is frosted. I love frosted bullet lipsticks. Not everyone's jam. And I love a good pink, so I'm digging it. By the way, these do not feel drying, very moisturizing, and comfortable. The last item I picked up is a lip gloss, and this is in the shade Golden Rose, which I have owned before, which is why I grabbed it again, because it was on sale. I can't find mine, so I either hit pan on it or it's at the bottom of one of my purses. I don't know, but I don't care because I love this so much. Let me do a swatch and then throw it on my face. All right, it's right there. It's a very soft pink. It's very sheer and looks fantastic on top of other lip products. Why do I need to explain that when I can show? It's not sticky. It's a thinner type, not super thin, but sometimes lip glosses can be too thick. It's the perfect consistency, at least for me. All right, that is everything I picked up. I can't remember if I had to pay shipping or handling and then I bought more, or just I saw a sale. Either is very possible. You know I love me some lip products. All right, now I want to hear your thoughts. Do you think I shop too much? Yeah, probably. Do you think I'm obsessed with lip products? Probably. Let me know if you like any of the shades I picked up, or if it's like, nah, Julie, you're a little too nudie pink for my taste. I get it. I probably am. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. If you could do me a big favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.